Guys, look at mangoes. Can you imagine when this begins to ripe? Oh my goodness. Even the babies could just will be able to reach and pick these mangoes. This is a fruitful tree. It is almost hitting the ground. My Lord. I believe, look at that creature that lives in it. It's a huge spider. Look at the spider, guys. Oh my Lord. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. See the spider. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh, wow. It has you won't be able to see the web, but it has such a huge web. Unbelievable. But anyway, we focus on the mango. Somebody should walk into that. That's gonna be a problem. I see a little one right there, but that's one because it's not really ripening as yet, but that one start to change color a little bit. But it's a huge mango tree, and it has a lot all the way around and around and around. You have the mangoes. It's just a lot.